Sorry for the change in the things I say. It's not that I don't notice, to me it's still the same. If I don't show a sign, I'm leaving my love blind, expecting you to...
Oh. Can you not kill me today? Huh? Good. Stand. Oh. It's raining. Good girl. It's raining. Oh boy. It's really raining now. Oh boy. Torrential rain. Oh! Something scary. Nope. You're alright. We're not even to the scary bit yet. Good girl. Oh, look at the pond. Whew. Good girl. You're being good so far. Okay, we won't go through the water, but you know how to go up this. Okay? Oh boy. It's really raining good now. Well, you're being good. I know you don't like water, so you're being pretty good. Oh boy. Oh boy. It's gonna get us. All the water everywhere. Boy, it's raining. Oh. It was not even drizzling when I was tacking you up. Which way? I feel like... You're alright. This way has more tree coverage. Yeah. Or we can go this way. That's fine too. Oh. Oh. Good girl. What a sight. Good girl. You're being so darn good. Don't worry, we'll put your cooler on when we get inside. Get you nice and warm. Okay, we'll go home. It's starting to get really bad. Ooh, you gotta be easy though. Not so fast. You're gonna slip on the leaves, Lyric. You're gonna slip. Water. It's raining. Good girl. Good girl. Yes, ma'am. Good girl. Okay, well, oh gosh. Yep. Good girl. Nicely done. Okay, we can go out this way. Good job. Oh, good girl. Ooh, that's sweaty. That's gross. Good girl, Lyric. Nice job. Good girl. Good job. That was so brave. Good thing we're headed home. We don't want thunder. We don't want lightning. Oh, yummy weeds. Let's go this way. Do you want to jump our fence? Let's look at the ground. I think we can. We've got to look at the ground. Oh yeah. Good girl. Neck. Alright. Ooh, that's skinny. Easy. We're almost home. Final stretch. Good girl. There we go. Now we can have